Okay, good morning, my dear students. Okay, after the examination, let us continue the syllabus. Okay, yes. In our previous class, in your English textbook, we stopped up to this page number 40. Okay, means up to that Black Beauty and also another horses are introducing their self. Up to that, we have discussed. Okay, this is one of the lesson Black Beauty written by the Anna Sewell. We already discussed about that Anna Sewell and also about the some other topics here. Okay, yes. See here. Uh, Up to where we have stopped means that Black Beauty enters to another stable, another new stable here means that is previously that is living with another one person and another stable. When that Square Gardens see that Black Beauty, he purchased this. Okay, Square Gardens purchased the Black Beauty and brought that to a new stable. So before that, another two horses are there in that stable. Okay, so they are introducing their self here. Up to here we have discussed. Yes, next. She is Ginger. She has a habit of biting and kicking. Do you bite? This is asked by the another horse to the Black Beauty. See here, it is asking, white horse is asking to the Black Beauty. This name is Mary Legs. Okay, this white horse name is Mary Legs. That is talking about another one horse. Who is Ginger here? This is telling about another horse. Means see here, this is one horse. No, that is went away from that stable here. So this Mary Leg is talking about telling about the this Ginger horse to the Black Beauty. Okay, so this is asking like that. That is one of the different character horse in the stable. So that horse is having an habit of biting and kicking. So it is telling about the this horse. Okay, about the Ginger. So it is want to ask with the Black Beauty, do you bite? Like that. Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದರ್ ಟೂ ಹಾರ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಲೆಕ್ಸ್, ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಿಂಜರ್. ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, Mary Legs means white horse here. This is Ginger. When that Black Beauty enter into the stable, ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲಿಂದ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಜಿಂಜರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ talking about like that ಆ ಒಂದು that Ginger is having an habit of biting and kicking like that. It is telling to the Black Beauty, and also it is asking like, do you also having an habit like biting and kicking like that. It is asking. Okay, yes. Later this Black Beauty replied to the Marilex here, no, I only bite hay, grass and corn. Okay, what this is telling, what Black Beauty is telling here, no, I am not having a habit like that, like biting and kicking. I want to bite only a hay, grass and the corn. What this is doing here, that Black Beauty also having a habit of biting, but which one is it want to bite here means grass and ಕಾರ್ನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಗ್ರಾಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೀ ಹರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, again this is the conversation between the Ginger and the Black Beauty. Previously conversation between the Marilex and the Black Beauty. This is another one day. See here, both are discussing together, talking together here. Okay, yes. One day that has told her story to the Black Beauty. I never had a kind master before I came here. One of my cruelest masters was Samson. What that is telling here, that Ginger is telling to the Black Beauty means, I never had a kind master. How that a Black Beauty had a kind master? Okay, a well charactered master before. So it is telling like that sorry, Ginger was telling like that, how you had a kind master before, but I never had like that a kind master. So my character is like that, like this, that that is telling, means my cruelest master was Samson, means that is the name of the master. Whose master? Previous master of the Ginger. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಜಿಂಜರ್ಗೆ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ cruelest person, cruelest master, not a kind person, not a good character person. He was so cruel. Okay, like that. It is telling that story to the ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್. One day, Ginger's master put a painful bit on her mouth. She reared in fear and he started to flog her. What happened later? One day, what happened to that Ginger means that Ginger's master put a painful bit on her mouth. Okay, he is starting to beating. How means, see here, bit means that is one of the metal piece, okay, attaching to the mouth here to control the horse, that is. Okay, see here, that is one of the mouth pieces. Okay, ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟಲ್ ಮೌತ್ ಪೀಸ್ನ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್. Okay, so he started to beating on that bit only, pulling and beating. She reared. Okay, she reared in fear and also he started to flog her, but that Ginger is shouting and by fearing, it is reared means also he not only stopped that beating. Okay, it is getting too painful. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಜಿಂಜರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಪೇನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ he was not only stopping that beating. Okay, stopped that beating. What happened later? That Ginger was can't control that pain. What it is did next? Okay, see here. The lashing was so painful that after a terrible struggle, she threw him. Yes, what happened later? He was beating to the Ginger, that is tried to control the pain, but that is too painful. She can't control that. Okay, she can't control that pain of beating. Lashing means beating by using that stick or a iron rod, like that. Okay, lashing means that is also meaning of beating, like that. Okay, so that was so painful. Later this Ginger threw him. Okay, see here, they have given picture what this Ginger is doing here. It is throwing him. Okay, throwing down. Okay, that is happen later. Yes, this is the story about Ginger and a cruelest master of the Ginger. It is telling with the ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದಟ್ ಬೀಟಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಬೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕ್ರುಯಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸನ್, ಇದೇನು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ Ginger. This is the next concept. Okay, what they have given down. I was happy living at Square Gardens. One afternoon, I was put into a dog cart to make my master to a business. Everything was going well until we came to a tall bridge across a river. Yes, next this is the story about Black Beauty. Again that concept is closed here about that Ginger. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ Square Gardens, that new stable of the Square Gardens. Okay, who is living happily with the Square Garden means that a Black Beauty is living happily with the Square Gardens and another 2 horses in a new stable. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ that I was means Black Beauty was put into a dog cart. Dog cart means nothing. They have given picture here. No, this is the cart, means it is having a 2 wheel and also it is pulled by the horse. Okay, or sometime they are using animal to pull that cart, that only meaning dog cart. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಡಾಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ವೀಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್. So that is put, Black Beauty is put into a dog cart to take my master to a business. For what purpose that Black Beauty is put into a dog cart means to take that masters to a business, masters to a city place, okay, town place. So it is put into dog cart. What happened later? Everything was going well until we came to a tall bridge across a river. To move or to reach the town they have to cross the bridge, okay. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಟೌನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕೇಮ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, okay, across the river. Yes, what happened later? It is high tide. I am afraid it's going to be rough night. Don't cross the river tonight, okay. This is telling by another one person, those who are standing near that bridge, okay. He is telling like that. Tide means that is one of the waves in the sea, okay. Those who are living near that sea region, no, they know about this high tide, low tide, like that. Tide means nothing, waves, okay. High tide and low tide, that is the type of tide. High tide ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಮೂನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಸನ್ ಒಂದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಿ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈ ಟೈಡ್, ಓಕೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ going to be a rough night. So please, I am requesting to you, don't cross the bridge at this rough night. He is telling, okay. Another one person is telling to Square Gardens and another one businessman here, okay, because they are going to a town for the purpose of business. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಟೌನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಫ್ ನೈಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ನೈಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈ ಟೈಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ river, don't cross the bridge like that, okay. Yes, so let us stop here. This is about the story of that Black Beauty, and also we discussed about the previous story about of the ginger, means conversation between ginger and the Black Beauty, and also we discussed about conversation between that Merrylegs and also the Black Beauty in this class, okay. Read the lesson once. Let us continue in our next class, okay. Okay, thank you.